I'm going to start with the blackhead along your jaw. A little pressure here, and it's out.
Start with this larger blackhead here, gentle pressure, and you can see it glide right out, clean plug, blot, and now this whitehead by the side, smooth extraction, there it is. One more tiny comedone. Gentle pressure here, and it's coming right out. Beautiful. Another whitehead, nice and smooth. Perfect expression. Let me blot away the excess oil. Your skin is already calming down.
I feel so much lighter.
That's exactly what we want.
Gentle pressure. There's the plug. Now the main cyst. We keep the loop low and let the contents express slowly. That's the core, nice and intact. A little more.
Side. We're lined up directly over the blackhead, applying slow, even pressure. The contents are gliding upward. See how it stays intact?
That's gentle pressure around the pore, and you can see the plug start to rise.
Oh, that's coming out smooth.
Exactly. We'll clear the whitehead beside it next. Uniform tension, slow lift, and we wipe. After a quick antiseptic mist, the skin is...
I'm placing the loop right over the pore and applying even pressure. You can see the plug start to lift. There it is, a compact oxidized head followed by the softer white material beneath. We'll tease the rest out with...
This whitehead is next. Slow, steady, there we go. Now for the cyst in the center, I keep the skin taut, press evenly and let it give on its own.
With steady pressure under the loop, the plug releases in one piece. You'll see the dark tip followed by the lighter keratin core as it emerges. The smaller whitehead is expressed gently, allowing the filament.
Gentle downward pressure around the pore, and you'll see the plug surface right there. We lift and wipe it away. Moving to the next. This one is a whitehead. Again,
loop centered, gentle, steady pressure. Perfect. There we go. Keratin plug coming through. Keep the skin taut, and it's clear. Dab away any fluid, a little antiseptic. Now we'll seal it with a hydrocolloid pad.
This neighboring pore is a whitehead. Stretch the skin, press, and there it is, pearly and intact.
Gentle pressure with the loop. There it is. Wipe away. Next, a small whitehead. I'll open it with the lancet, just a tiny prick. Now we express it with the loop.
All right, tiny bit of pressure here. We're expressing that core slowly. You can see it winding up through the loop, and there it is. Nice, intact plug. Now this blackhead right above, same gentle pressure, and we get that darker sebum out. Perfect.
Center the loop. Apply even pressure. There it goes. Thick, creamy sebum expressed completely. Wipe away. Moving to the blackhead now. Compress the walls.
Gentle, even pressure allows the plug to lift out in one piece. You can see the darker tip of the blackhead followed by the lighter core. For whiteheads, the same controlled compression brings...
Now I'm placing the comedone extractor right over the center and applying even pressure. There's the core, thick, waxy, and intact. We'll keep the angle steady to let it express completely.
We're starting on the nose, slowly easing the loop around the blackhead. With steady pressure, the pore releases, clean and clear in seconds. On the chin, we're using fine tweak.
Center the loop, keep even pressure. As we press, you'll see the cyst open cleanly. There it is, smooth, uniform. We let it express completely so the wall can collapse. A quick block.
You're gonna feel a bit of pressure right here. And there it goes, perfect extraction, wiping. We'll clear a couple of these blackheads next. A little pressure, beautiful release, and gel going on.
I'm positioning the loop right over the pore and applying steady, even pressure. You can see the plug release. There it is. I sweep the tool clean on the gauze and move on.
There it is, a clean release, moving to the whitehead and express. Beautiful, skin looks calmer already. Last one, perfect. We'll soothe with a touch of